Guys, it's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to enable or disable comments discussion into your WordPress blog posts. But imagine the following scenarios. You do not want posts to be commented into one of your contents, but would like to receive comments in another one of your posts. It is possible to do this, okay? But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content for a friend of yours. You have no idea how much that helps us. After this, log into your WordPress dashboard. To access your WordPress website dashboard, all you have to do is move to your browser address bar, hit the website name plus WP admin or WP login, enter with email or username and password. You're going to be able to find a page almost like this one. Review the left sidebar of menus and click on posts. Select the post that would like to receive comments or not. In my case, it's gonna be this one right here. Now review the right sidebar of menus. Okay, we have post and block. Move to post. Scroll down. Right here we have status, publish, slug, author, discussion, revisions, and format. Between author and revisions we have discussion. Click on it, and as you can see, comments are closed. We can open for comments, exclude pinchbacks and trackbacks. Up to you and to your needs, okay? You can learn more about pinchbacks and trackbacks into this page right here if you click. But the most important part for us is to be open for comments. Hit the save change. Now, if you go to the post, in the end of the post, we have a field where people can comment your content. Now, if you do not want to receive comments to some specific post, same path, same way, but no discussion, click and type close it, okay? Update the post and you are good to go. Simple, easy, and very effective. And it is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I see you guys tomorrow. All the best.